Hi, Dr. Saxena here, and again, one of the things which I would like to talk is is something like flaxseed oil, and which is really a lot of people doesn't know about that. What exactly is flaxseed, and it's also called as linseed oil, and it is brought from the Linus astimatum, and it has got tremendous health benefits. I can always, when we talk about some of the healthy oils, the first thing which comes to to our mind is something like fish cod liver oil. Second one is flaxseed oil for vegetarians, and the third one is coconut oil. So I'd like to focus this talk on flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil has got intense health benefits because it has got something like a high content of alpha linoleic acid. These are all the things which are there on this one. I'd like to give you some of the benefits. How does it help? First of all, when it comes to cardiovascular system, I think everyone should follow this particular stuff. This is a very simple thing which usually it helps in preventing atherosclerosis. This flaxseed oil prevents abnormal clotting. Abnormal clotting is everyone is talking about taking some aspirin, everything. Now we have got people who are vaxxed, and post vaccination we felt there were some people who are getting clotting problems and all that. So what this flaxseed oil does is it makes the blood platelets less sticky due to this conversion of flaxseed oil alpha linoleic acid to EPA and CD3 prostaglandins. Flaxseed oil lowers blood pressure in hypertension patients. The presence which are similarly chemically to prostaglandin even in this flaxseed oil. Yes, flaxseed oil prevents heart attack and prevents the occurrence of the second heart attack who already has previously experienced a heart attack. Absolutely, you need that alpha linoleic acid for your to have your healthy cardiovascular system. And the best part is again it is preventing that thrombosis part also. Thrombosis because this once you put on this flaxseed oil, it reduces the production of potentially toxic thromboxanes, which are often elevated in the thrombosis patient. I'll give you two things, which is we have got something like thromboxane, and which are got prostaglandins, which are bad, and you have got so you need to put this thromboxane and all that. You need to keep this level low. If the more you keep that level low, it's good. I was talking in one segment about eyesight, and I think fish oil is improves vision and color perception, and it is definitely benefits the eyesight. Apart from that, for your I think for dandruff also it helps. It helps for the dandruff. It helps for the alopecia areata. It significantly improves the dry hair. So many people have got this problem: the dry hair, dull hair, and the dry hair. So this is one thing, and I immune system, it has got big takes. Flaxseed oil elevates the allergies, it reduces the allergies, and almost all cancer patients we would like to take them flaxseed oil because it is known to cause inhibits the further development of and metastasis of breast cancer and all that. Apart from that, it is a common prescription for almost all vegetarians who are my cancer patients. People have improved tremendously. I can always tell this is the only dietary oil which is allowed in the orthomolecular treatment of AIDS. Orthomolecular treatment goes back to vitamin C, and there are people who have done orthomolecular Linus Pauling approach, and this is one of the things which was approved by this one. So flaxseed oil improves your athletic performance, it reduces your cholesterol, alleviates the symptoms of diabetes. One study it has found, coming back to the cholesterol part, 20 grams per day lowers cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, by up to 18%. And all diabetics, they need this flaxseed oil, so that by lowering the amount of insulin required, we can always lower the amount of insulin. Um, it's exercise, people with all this kind of sports and all that, this is kind. Flaxseed oil is a valuable adjunct for the treatment of obesity. So this is one thing which always should be kept in mind. And there is a kind of we try to work on this particular thing, that by improving that particular stuff, and it helps the kidneys in eliminating excess water, increasing the basal metabolism, basal metabolic rate. Big takes as such. I've been talking about increased basal metabolic rate with coconut oil. The same is the case with the flaxseed oil. And other stuffs we keep using in a lot of cases where there is applied topically, it can help with the pain. It helps in sprains, it helps with rheumatoid arthritis, people with depression, people with maniac depression, people with multiple sclerosis, with schizophrenia, they improve on this flaxseed oil. It has been proved flaxseed oil can help people with prostate issues, male infertility, and you have got kind of things. You have skin conditions which can help this flaxseed oil, the skin conditions which can get acne, dry skin, you have got eczema, you have got psoriasis. Psoriasis is one thing. All these things has to work by together, and this helps in the kind of this one. So how this flaxseed oil is working is just by lowering the body production of arachidonic acid, and counteracts. So once the arachidonic acid thromboxanes are reduced, and it makes a good body. This conversion will stop. The body doesn't get into that kind of. These are all bad prostaglandins, which causes a lot of problem. So the primarily this alpha linolenic acid, which has a big content in flaxseed oil. This is the thing which helps. But from that, flaxseed oil has got something like beta carotene, you have got polyunsaturated fatty acids, supersaturated fatty acids. If I can tell what is the best supersaturated fatty acid is alpha linolenic acid, which is about 51 to 56%, which is present in the this particular flaxseed oil. So big takes. Only thing is, flaxseed oil comes with some kind of this one. The way we need to pour, it's extremely sensitive to heat, light, and oxygen. So you're not supposed to keep in light, number one, and if you heat at high temperatures, it's not going to be stable, and with oxygen also there is a kind of it decomposes. Flaxseed oil, by the time it reaches you, you need to be careful with the kind of content as such, because the most of the things what I have picked up in here. So I advise people not to directly go for that flaxseed oil. Try to use flax seeds in your diet. Flax seeds, they help in the same way. What are the things which I have told about this flaxseed oil? Amazing stuff. Again, trying to look for to optimize the health. This is not a medical drug, doesn't require a prescription. You can always take that flax seeds in your diet, and it really optimizes the health. And try this thing. When you combine with some other stuffs, you will not get into the pattern of disease. So you can effectively, this is the prevention part. And for the reversal also, we had done for some people who had something like cancer. In fact, these are the things which help this reversing the diseases. Thank you.